What's up, YouTube? We are on our way to CVS to get some Mentos and Coca-Cola. And what we're going to do with it when we get home, Jakey boy?
Explosion!
And I'll blow that ish up.
By the way, I just got done calling my mom.
You just got the... Oh, you know what? Show everybody your awesome new phone. Look at that. Savannah. Okay, the Lion King just got a new phone. Kind of looks like Walter White a little bit.
Savannah.
Okay, why are you singing? So, say hi to all your subscribers. All 39.
Sub everyone.
What's up, YouTube? Alright, this video is going off the rails real quick.
No. Hey, Dad.
Hey, Jake.
This video's gonna go on forever. You know why, Daddy?
Because we got 45 minutes till we get home?
Yes.
Alright, so be prepared for 45 minutes of time wasting, starting now. Alright, so what should we do to entertain these folks?
Today I'm gonna teach you about a phone.
Alright, let's learn about your phone. Because I don't know if any of us know how to use a phone, so this will be a pretty helpful video.
Well, no one actually knows how to use this phone.
It's a flip phone. We're going back to 2006, everybody.
And guys, you know what? Inside here, if you go right here and you want to go into games, go right here, click the middle button. Then if you want to go to phone book right here, click that.
Nobody can see. But we're taking your word for it. I believe you. And it only takes about 20 minutes to send a text message on this phone.
And guys, I have no idea who this is. It's like a stranger. Whoever. Dad posts this on here. He posts a stranger on here. It's called customer care.
I don't think that's a stranger. I think that's customer care. So if you're having a problem with your phone, you call them up. So I'm not putting weird people on this phone, I swear, everybody.
Oh, okay. Guys, don't,
Did you think that was just someone with a weird name? The first name was Customer? Do you know anybody named Customer?
Well, if it's Customer, then I won't make fun of their names. I'll just...
That's very good. How sweet. See, that's what happens when you're 6 years old. You're still kind.
Well,
And then you get to be an old man like me. You don't like anybody. And you're still kind when you're 7, yes.
Oh, 7 years.
Did you see The Lion King yet?
What?
Did you see The Lion King yet?
Like the Lion King cup?
No, the movie. Oh yeah, show me your cup in a minute. Well, the movie comes out. It's not out yet, so of course you didn't see it.
July 19th.
July 19th. What else is on July 19th? Trivia question.
Hey guys.
What important day in history happened on July 19th?
It's my birthday.
His birthday. JG's birthday, July 19th.
But guess what, guys?
What?
You know how many days until my birthday?
What's today's date?
9.
Oh, today's the 10th, so 9 days.
9 days until my birthday.
I should probably think about sending out your invitations pretty soon, right?
Yeah.
Probably think about what we're doing for it, where we're having it. Nothing like waiting to the last minute.
Prepare for 45 minutes.
For his birthday, you know what he wants? He wants you to like that video and subscribe.
We're going to make an awesome video of that.
Yeah, oh, you know what? We can post your birthday party on here. That'll be sweet.
Woo!
So back to this phone. It's kind of like a burner phone. So when I went to Walmart, they kind of looked at me kind of funny.
Yeah,
I swear, Walmart, I'm not a drug dealer. I'm buying a burner phone for this dude.
Hey guys.
She didn't believe
I literally just bought this, but guess what?
What?
It literally already has scratches on the front.
Literally?
Yes.
Wow.
But guys, it's okay if it like scratches the front. It's okay. It's because we can just paint it back and we could still like, and it has a different color on the front. Yes.
Did you rip one? It smells in here.
What?
Did you rip one?
Rip what? Rip a fart?
Yes.
No, that was you. That was you. That was you.
I didn't, I swear.
Oh no, window.
Oh no, you know what that is? Never mind, I know what that is. We are driving past Columbus, New Jersey, and they have a
A
landfill. They have a landfill right off of 295 here. Stinks. Smells like JJ's bedroom when he wakes up in the morning.
Hey! Hey, do you want me to challenge you so I can get all your cologne and I can spray it with cologne in my room? So mine.
How to make a smelly fish smell good? How to make a smelly JJ room smell good? Just do a video on that.
No.
Yes.
My room already smells good. It smells like Thomas.
Well, that's my name, so. Of course it smells good.
Thomas the train.
How does a train smell good?
I have a lot of stickers on there.
That's right. Are your Barbie dolls?
Hey! I'm not a girl, okay? Do I even have blonde hair? No, I have red hair.
You have red hair. Well, actually, you do have red hair right now. I don't know if they can see that. Here, get a little closer. So today, Vacation Bible School was crazy hair day.
Can I show them it?
You see, guys? Comment if you can see that.
Yes,
He's got red and blue.
They can't see it. They can see the red, but they can't see the blue.
So he definitely had crazy hair today for Crazy Hair Day, VBS. It's one thing I don't like about his hair. Tell me if you can. Shush. Stop screaming. It's annoying. Jake. So tell me, comment below if you can tell what's annoying about his hair. I'll give you a hint.
Nothing's annoying. It's colorful.
It's colorful, yes, but it's red and blue, which are the same colors as the New York Giants. Are they even still in the NFL? They stink.
Dad.
What?
You're the worst.
I know.
Why did
No,
you say that?
You know what the worst is? The
What?
New York Giants. They're the worst. Ow! Ow! I'm driving, dude. Relax.
Oh yeah, that's what you get.
Chillax, bro.
Giants fan.
Alright, nah, seriously, that hurts. Stop. Who do you like? What team do you like?
I like the Eagles.
Nice! E-A! Here, finish it. G.
A-E-L Eagles. E-A-E.
Almost. Still working on that part.
E-A-G-L-E-S Eagles.
There we go. Who's your favorite quarterback?
Quarterback, John Cena.
That would be a wrestler. I still have plenty of work to do with this kid. All right. What about your basketball player? Who's your favorite basketball player?
Me.
You are a good basketball player. You're my favorite. You and Sammy. What about baseball player? I know the answer to this one.
The Phillies.
Yeah, that would be a team. Who's your favorite player on the team?
John Cena.
John Cena plays professional baseball and football. I did not know that. He's a wrestler and an actor. This guy's pretty talented. I got to check the roster, but I'm pretty sure John Cena does not play for the Phillies. You know who does? Bryce Harper.
Oh!
All right, dog. Should we say goodbye?
No, 45 minutes.
We're not going to keep these guys on here for 45 minutes. Now, Allie wanted you to give her a shout out last time we saw her. So say, what up, my dog, Allie?
What up?
Go TCNJ Lacrosse. Their best and prettiest player.
Hey guys, comment down below if you watched. Subscribe if you watched how to make a rotten smelly fish smell good.
And comment below if you want me to make his rotten smelly bedroom smell good.
Hey guys.
I think it's gonna be easier to make a
Hey guys,
stinky
since
fish
I
smell
got
good.
Daddy back,
How'd you get me back?
How to make a smelly fish.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Hey guys, leave a comment if Dad should get me back.
Oh yeah, I got some ideas how I'm gonna get you back. I know.
So he has to think about it, how he's gonna do it, but he can't tell me.
Comment below. I stutter. If you guys got some ideas on what I should do to get him back, comment below.
Hey guys, I wish I had my own Instagram, but guess what? I don't.
Why not?
Me and Daddy can make one if you guys want to.
Instagram's stupid.
What?
Instagram's for girls.
Well, Unspeakable has an Instagram.
So do I. Shh, that's between you and I. Awesome.
Yeah, so let me know if I should get a boy Instagram.
Yes, a boy Instagram. Okay.
And you guys can control what I do. When the floor is lava or the floor is water. If you choose
How about
water,
that? That's a way to get him back.
what?
Let's go to Hawaii and I'll throw you in one of the volcanoes.
No!
Yes, and then we can see if the floor is lava for real. Want to do that?
No.
No? I'll let you wear sneakers.
What?
Or we can go to a Tony Robbins event and walk the coals. No? Look at that right there. S550. Boom! That's a nice card. Did you like that car, JJ?
What?
You like that car that we just drove past?
No, I didn't see it.
It's a Benzo.
Benzo.
Mercedes-Benz S550. Alright. Peace out, brothers and sisters.
No. I'm taking the rest of the video. Uncharge your phone.
You can't even reach.
Yes, I can.
You can't reach up here.
Give me the phone.
No.
Why?
Because.
Why?
I don't want the video to be too long and boring. No one's gonna stay tuned if they're bored. We have to be bored of this.
Bladers.
This is entertaining right here. How you doing?
So far, this video's not fun.
It's not fun? Yeah, I know.
Wait, let's see how many more minutes until we're gonna be there, guys.
We're probably gonna be about 30 minutes till we get home.
Or how many minutes can we get at the CVS?
CVS, probably about 30 minutes.
30 minutes?
Yeah, because we're on the highway right now, driving home from dropping off Grandma.
There's a highway. Okay, peace out, brothers. Bye.
Later. Smack that subscribe button.
Don't forget to leave a comment.
Yes. Comment, what should I do to get Jakey Boy back for making me kiss and smell a stinky fish? And once again, what up, Allie? Peace out.